Okay, so this is another Leetcode problem. Find the array concatenation value. You are given a zero indexed integer array nums, and then you need to concatenate two numbers and then add it. Concatenate meaning over here, for example, there is 15 and 49. You concatenate, so it becomes 1549, and then you have to add it to a value, to a to some output value. Okay, so initially your value is 0 and then you start, adding that to it. So first you need to concatenate and then you add it. So let's consider this example, nums. You have this array which has four elements in it. So in the first iteration, you take the first element and the last element. You concatenate, so it becomes 74. Add it to your output value. Initially it is 0, so 0 plus 74 becomes 74. In the next iteration, you concatenate 52 and 2, so it becomes 522, 522. And then you add it to your output value, which is 74. So here, if you see the example, the output will be 596. Okay, so we in this we need to also consider there is a special case that we need to consider for even number of arrays and for odd number of arrays. Okay, so let me write the code here first. So let my output uh, output be 0 initially. So I'm going to use pointers start and end, and I'll run a while loop in that, and I'll use the start value and the end value. So let start equal to 0, let end equal to nums dot length minus 1, while start is less than equal to end. So what I will do is I will say output equal to plus equal to uh, nums of start plus to string, because it is a number, and if you want to concatenate we'll have to convert it into a string. Nums of end dot to string, and then convert this entire string to a number. Okay, and then what we do is say start plus plus, we increment the start and we decrement the end. Okay, and we also need to take care of a special case. A special case would be considering that over here the nums array has 5 elements. So if I start with 5 and 12 is my first iteration, second iteration will be 14 and 18. In my third iteration, I will only have one value. So I just need to add that value to the output. There is no concatenation happening. So I'll have to consider that scenario as well. So if start is equal to end, then I would say output plus equal to nums of start. Else this. Okay. And then after my while loop finishes, I need to return output. Okay. Let me run this program. Okay, so it satisfies the test cases, and let me submit this. Okay, so